In this video, I will show you how to import a resource. When you upload a file to DataBox, it creates a resource of type file. For example, if you uploaded a CSV file like this one, you may want to convert it to a resource of type table, which is the main type of resource representing a table. A table resource can be used in an experiment by a large variety of tasks. Importing a resource converts a file to a specific type. This process is important for traceability because it stores the import parameters, such as whether the header was used or the index were provided for rows. To import a resource, and not only CVS files, you need to access to the menu of the resource directly from the DataBox, or you can also open the resource and then open the menu here. From the menu options, select Import Resource. If the button is not available, it means the resource is not a file. By default, an importer is selected based on the file extension. For example, the table importer is used by default here. You can choose another importer if you want to import a resource of a different type. You need to fill the configuration of the importer based on your data file, and please check advanced config if needed, for example, if you want to add tags to your columns or rows. For a more advanced usage, you need to know that the process creates an experiment of type importer in the background. To access to the importer experiment, you can click on the resource and then click on the link to the experiment under the title. You can also see all importer experiments from the experiment page. Click on Advanced and select Importer as a type of experiment and then search. You can now access to all importer experiments. This experiment uses a special task also called importer. They take a file as input and generate a resource from it. You can use importers in any experiment to automate your workflow. You can modify the experiment to change the importer configuration if needed. Thanks for watching. To get access to more content, you can subscribe on our YouTube channel or visit our community website at constellab.community.